How to create Luno account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Luno. To do so, first of all, you will need to make sure you have downloaded the authentic Luno application on your mobile device. Once you have done that, now open the application on your device, and here in this page, you'll be able to see Create Account button at the bottom. Tap on this button. And after tapping on it, here you will reach to this page. Here you'll be able to see the sign-in interface. In this page, here you will need to enter your email address and create a strong password. Tap on the first text box and enter your email address here. After entering the email address, now create a strong password. Make sure your password is 8 characters long and it should include one number, uppercase and lowercase letter. After creating the password, now you can tap on this Let's Go button. Now wait for a while and now you will be taken to this page. In this page, here you will need to verify yourself as a human. Tap on this I'm not a robot button right here. And after successful verification, you can proceed further. After this, a confirmation will be sent to your email address. You will need to check your email for the confirmation link from Luno. Click on the link to verify your email address. Once your email is confirmed, now you will need to enter your mobile phone number. After entering the mobile phone number, you will receive an OTP via SMS that you will need to enter for verification. After successful verification, you will see you have successfully created an account on Luno. Further, you will need to set up your profile by filling in your personal information including your full name, nationality, ID number, and you may also need to answer questions regarding your employment status and the purpose of using Luno. After submitting all the required information and documents, you will need to wait for a while and then you will see your account has been successfully created. So by following these steps, you can easily create a Luno account and begin your crypto journey. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.